Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan back again, working on a Nissan Versa 2011. A little background on this car: had a lot of trouble, it would just shut off randomly, no throttle, hard starting. It would start like it was out of fuel. It would seem like it would start, then it wouldn't. Then some days it would be perfectly fine, run great, and then it would just do the same thing. Whether it was hot or cold, just random craziness with this thing. So I've been picking at a little bit here and there when I have time on top of everything else I'm doing here. But I want to show you something that I found. I took the battery out, gave it a good charge at work, brought it back, and the car was good for about 3 days. Now it's starting to act up again. So I'm thinking it's a connection issue. That's what my gut was telling me, so I started digging in, and I want to show you a few things I found. I don't know if it's the exact problem yet, until I change some of this stuff out. But the ground cable, I didn't like at all. But as you can see, the other end that mounts to the frame is all just pure nastiness. And the other end mounts to the top of the trans. I'll show you where it goes. It goes right down here. I got the headlight out. It mounts to that bolt hole right here. Then the other mount is right here on the transmission, that clean threaded part right there. So simple, easy. I mean, if I can't get it from Nissan, it does have a part number on it. Don't know if it'll zoom in enough to help anybody, but I'll have to use the VIN anyway to get it. But if I can't get it from Nissan, I can make something up at work. But I want to show you something else I found on this thing. On the positive side didn't look horrible until I started digging in a little more. I took the cover off, started seeing some green boogers here. But if you can look in this one here, you can see the green boogers there. You can see the green boogers there. And as you can see, that's the 100 amp, the other one's the 80. So I already took all this apart. The sides of the plug are good, but I'm not liking the back side of this plug. There's a lot of green in there. I blew it out already a little bit, that white one especially, but I think I'm going to unlock these and see what it looks like in there. But I'm going to contact Nissan tomorrow, see if I can get one of these. I guess they call this the main battery fuse. But, I mean, this other cable right here, I already had it apart, but that cable goes there. But yeah, I've been finding a lot of corrosion in this area here, and I'm hoping this is my problem. So I'm going to get all this fixed and cleaned up and get the car back together. And if I find any other issues, I'll make a part 2, but if not, I guess this is the culprit on this. So I hope this helps someone out that has the same problem. You know, random acceleration loss, hard starting, just cranking, won't fire up. Just pure craziness on this. It was driving me bananas, but I finally got it in today with all the snow and everything. So hope this helps you guys. Well, on to the next one. Thanks, guys.